Presenting a pre-owned 2006 Audi A6 3.2 Avant Quattro. This four-door wagon has a 6-cylinder, 3-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Audi has less than 148,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, CD changer, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.